Do you spend more than 3 minutes a day scrolling on your phone? I know I do, and it's usually when I'm waiting for the kettle to boil. So today I'm going to challenge our community. What we're going to do is replace a not great habit of scrolling on our phones with a 3-minute habit, daily habit that will help us strengthen and improve the sound of our voice. I guarantee by the end of this video, you will have created your own personalized 3-minute routine that is going to help you make your voice sound so much richer, deeper, more confident, and more authoritative. If this sounds good to you, give me a thumbs up and we're going to jump right in. Hi, it's Jane and welcome back to all our friends and all the lovely subscribers. Today, what we are going to be working on is how we can strengthen our voices, because our voices, as we know, are simply a muscle. And just like we know we need to work out, we need to help our muscle in our voice work out so we can get the absolute best out of it. So if you're struggling with a bit of a thin voice, a voice that doesn't have confidence in it, I'm going to go through a foundation exercise and then 6 other exercises that we can all practice together, and then you're going to curate your personal routine. The first one is the foundation exercise, and this is the Yawn Sigh, and I always recommend you start off with this. This is not, you do not need to do this for a minute. This is simply to ground all the other exercises that you're going to be doing. The Yawn Sigh is a great big yawn with a deep and audible sigh at the end. You're loosening everything up. You've laid the foundation. Let's jump in with the very first practice thing that we're going to be doing together. And this is exaggerating explosive sounds. So consonants D, T, P are all explosive sounds. We're going to say those, but with a afterwards. So it's going to sound like da, pa, ta, ka. Any of those. I know it sounds hilarious, but you're going to practice those. That can be a 1 minute a day exercise. Those explosive sounds. We're practicing getting force into our voice. The second one is humming. And I love this one, and I've recommended it before. For 1 minute a day, hum. Unbroken humming, either to a song or just tunelessly. If you're like me and not particularly good at music, you can like that. Hum along. This is a proven way to make your voice slightly deeper and definitely richer, because you're working on loosening up your vocal cords. The next one is fun, and that is sirening, when you make a sound like a emergency vehicle siren, and it goes like ah. What you're doing is forcing your vocal cords to shrink and shrink and strength and shorten over and over again. So now we're sending them to the gym. We're making them work harder, so our voices have power and strength. The next one is, and I'm terrible at this, the lip buzz, where you have to sort of vibrate your lips together like I'm really not good at that. People like me who struggle with that will often find that the area around here gets quite irritated and sort of itchy and twitchy. That means that's a signal. That's something we should probably be working on. The next one are tongue trills. This is number 5, and you go trrr, trrr, trrr. But again, you're really trying to push the air out, strengthen those vocal cords, not a delicate little trrr, 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 trrr. You're trrr, trrr, almost like a drill. You're trying to get that really, really strong. Strengthen your tongue. It's going to all help with that authoritative voice. The last one, and it's not so much a muscle thing, but it's such a brilliant thing to practice for clear diction, and that is tongue twisters. Pick one and run through it from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. Anything like she sells seashells on the seashore. You can look up one that works for you and run it through. Now that you know the base foundation and the other 6, what I want you to do is think back to the 3 you found the most difficult to do, that seem to tire you out, that seem to be the most exhausting, because that's your personal curated list for for this upcoming week. So you're going to do that. Write it down, stick it somewhere where you're driving your car or next to your desk or in the shower, cooking a meal, and run through that drill. Imagine it's like the discipline of going to the gym or going for a run or a walk. You're going to do it every single day. Once you feel you've mastered those, circle back, come back to the video, comment what you've been doing, and then pick another 3 and run through with those. I guarantee if you approach this with discipline and you do it in a repetitive nature, you are going to learn exactly what your voice is able to do. And all of this is strengthening it so that when you want to speak with that confidence, with that projection, with that authority that you have sometimes up here but won't come out here, you've practiced it, you've put it in place, and I guarantee you'll be able to summon it up when you need it. Thank you so much for your time. Please consider subscribing. It helps the community grow and we reach more people. Thanks as always. I'll see you in the next video.
All eyes on me.